my god.
I don't recognize it. All I can see is shades of you.
Oh my god.
Hi loves, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming here for the first time, if you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, my name is Wofai and you're watching Shades of Wofai. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe and join this amazing family. It's completely free to subscribe. If you're a family member, if you're an OG, hey love, thanks for coming back and thanks for clicking on this video. So today's video is one that is highly requested, or has been highly requested, so to say. Several times when I post on my Insta story about video suggestions for my YouTube, I always get questions on how I do a ponytail on my 4C natural hair. And when I post pictures also on Instagram, like I get comments on how do you get your hair to lay like that and all of that. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this sleek ponytail on my 4C natural hair. Before I go on to show you guys how I achieved this, I would like to say that I have a very stubborn hair, so my hair is, the texture is quite funny. My hair is very coarse and my hair is just stubborn, and my hair doesn't stretch as much, so I really don't do too much. Like, I'm very basic when it comes to styling my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this basically, and if that is something you're interested in watching, if that's something you'd like to know about, then please do keep watching. And if at the end of this video you enjoy, please do well to give it a thumbs up and please leave a comment. Share this video to other people, they might find it very useful. I'll really appreciate if you do that. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. Yeah, so this is what we are currently working with. I just washed my hair, so it's kind of dry and then shrinkage. Going to first off apply cream to my hair. So I'm using this CCB anti-dandruff cream and then Ori. So I'm going to mix both of them together and apply on my hair.
You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you.
So please pardon me because I'm going to be looking this way during the course of the video because my mirror is right in front of me and I'll be needing it to see what I'm doing. Before I go on to the next thing I'll do, there are 3 ways to actually go about this process. So you can either stretch your hair to make it very easy for you to style your hair into a ponytail, or you can do a twist out, or there's this style they call calabash. So basically, like, you just cut a portion of your hair and then you weave it out this way. You do like a normal weaving this way and leave it for a while before doing the ponytail. That way your hair stretches out and then it's easier for you to style your hair into a ponytail. Like, the easiest way to go about it is just to blow dry your hair, and then it's going to be very easy for you, especially for those that have very strong hair like my hair. But I'm trying to avoid heat on my hair for a while. Reason I washed my hair and then I'm doing the ponytail just immediately after washing my hair. I don't know if you get my point. So I'm just going to use my hand to pull the hair out, then I'll detangle it with a comb.
But that's all you want, wanna rub me up. I'm holding back, trying to get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone.
So I haven't trimmed my ends in a while, so the ends of my hair are actually all over the place and very light, so that's why my hair is looking uneven, so to say. Next thing I'm going to be doing will be to part my hair. I'm going to part it in the center, and I'll be using this tail comb to part the center of my hair.
Find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You'll follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. Oh, there's more to me, but anywhere
this Petals gel. So about this gel here, the first time I tried doing my hair into a ponytail, I used Eco Styling gel, and I realized I had to use a whole lot of it, and then my hair wasn't well laid. It was messy, and then it was like, it wasn't dry. It's like you could see that there was a lot of gel on my hair, and I really did not like it. And then I tried using edge control. I tried using hair wax. I think I still have the hair wax. Let me get it. This hair wax, I can't remember if it was this exact color I used, but I've used the yellow, I've used the blue, I've used this one. I can't remember which other color I've used, but each time I use this hair wax here, it always flakes, like it leaves white patches on my hair, and it never looks good at all. And then I tried using the Petals gel, the black one, and I realized it actually could hold my hair for a long time without scattering. The issue I had with the black Petals gel was the fact that it was always messy. When I take a shower and then I have to like dry around my neck, it stains my white towel. Like when I have to scratch my hair, I would see black particles on my nose and all of that. But apart from that, it would hold my hair very well. So last time I went to get Petals gel for my hair, they didn't have the black one, and then I saw this white one, and I thought I might as well just try this white one. And then I tried it, and it held my hair so perfectly well, and then it wasn't messy. So I decided, okay, I might as well just stick with this one, since just like the black one, it holds my hair, but then it is not as messy as the black one. So when you're doing a ponytail, it's very important for you to know what hair gel works for your hair. Some people have said that edge control, my hair is still dripping of water. Some people have said that edge control holds their hair very well, Abi hair wax holds their hair very well, and it doesn't flake at all. That's fine, you can use hair wax. Some people have used Eco Styling gel and it worked very well with their hair, and they didn't have any complaint. Fine, you can use, just find out what works for you and then use what works for you, because it is very important that you use the gel that works for you. It makes your work very, very easy. But if you're using a gel that doesn't work for you, that your hair doesn't accept, it's going to be really stressful on you, because you have to apply and apply and apply and apply. Your hair will just end up looking very messy and all of that. Okay, and no, I don't do all of the whole sectioning thing where you section a portion of the hair, apply gel package, section, apply gel package, and all of that. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I do like the very basic stuff. Like I do the bare minimum, and it just turns out well. So let's go ahead and apply the gel.
I find you there, I find you there. I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different.
Yeah, so I'm currently satisfied with how laid the hair is. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap a scarf around it. That way the hair lays flatter, and then it can last longer days. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to go off camera, get my makeup done, and then I'll come back. Yeah, so that's basically everything. That's how I achieve this ponytail. That's what I do. I don't really do too much, as you can see from the video. I use really basic things. The major thing is just know your hair type, know what hair product works for your hair, and just take your time to do it and make sure everything goes in properly, and then you definitely have a sleek and good looking bun or ponytail just like this one. So if you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a huge thumbs up, and please share. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment. I'll be in the comment section, and definitely I'm going to reply to your questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and stay subscribed. Bye guys.
Find a silver lining. What I wanna do is avoid the violence, but you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more